I am extremely happy to say a few words about Aashwasan and Rashmi ji. I met her once. She gave me an extremely valuable advice regarding my health. And also, I would like to add that several healings I received were of great value to support my health. And it is appropriate for more and more people to be informed about the good work that Aashwasan is doing and how the people are getting excellent benefit. I express my great regards to Rashmi ji, and also I express my gratitude to Aashwasan healers who have helped me a lot. Thank you.